Welcome back to Guarantee RV Supercenter. My name's Brandy. Today I'm going to be showing you the Minnie Winnie 31H. We're at our wonderful 55 spot RV park that opened up recently. Take a look around. You got the dog park there next to the restrooms. Now let's go inside and take a look at this wonderful unit. We're going to start back here in the walk-around queen bed. Lots of storage. You've got a full wardrobe on your right and a hanging area here on your left. If you use a CPAC machine, that's taken care of as well. There's outlets next to the walls, so you can still plug in anything that you might need to do. This unit is great for families or grandparents who want to take their grandkids and need extra sleeping space. This is a bunk model. There's a top bunk and a bottom bunk, as well as extra storage for the kiddos or the adults, whoever you may be taking with you. Large restroom, good storage, as well as a skylight above the shower. Moving on to the kitchen area. First I want to point out the pantry. Your pantry is right here. You've got storage, top and bottom, and your control panel is right next to that. Here we are in the kitchen. You've got a refrigerator, freezer, top and bottom, two sinks. So instead of just a single like you see in a lot of Class C's, this has got the two. Good storage on the top, drawers down below. We have a microwave and an oven. This one doesn't have the convection oven. You've got the separate pieces here as well as the fan. Lots of sleeping in this. You can pull the couch out to sleep. You've got the cab over to sleep. The table and dinette. This turns into a sleeping area as well as the bunks and the queen bed. You've got backup cameras. This is on a Ford 450 chassis, V10 engine. TV is on a nice swivel. And again, you're not lacking storage in this unit, which is great when you want to take everybody with you. Let's go take a quick look outside. Alright, some of the great features on the outside is going to be this wonderful awning. It's a little windy here today, I'm sure you can tell, so I don't have that out to show you. We've got slide toppers on your slides. Great storage back here. A ladder so you can keep checking your roof and doing your maintenance. Your storage here, you've got an upper pass-through that goes all the way through, as well as a lower pass-through and an upper shelf. One thing that I really enjoy about this unit, everything's really accessible. You can get to your tank fill, you can get to your city fill, you can get to your sewer. Nothing's encumbered. You can get to it really easily. Again, slide toppers on all your sides. And that is the Winnebago 31H. Thank you for joining me here today at Guarantee RV Supercenter. I look forward to seeing you in the store. Come on in and I'll show you around.